Hello friend, welcome to Marine Engineering Hub. This is your narrator, Chief Engineer Ravi Gupta. So today we'll talk about ozone layer depletion, followed by we'll see what are the development over a period of time through which we have changed from one refrigerant to other and why we have done that we will see in today's video. After that we will see which gases are used in today's industry and why it has been used. So this video is going to be interesting. Please tune until last. I guarantee after watching this video you will have a clear idea of the natural refrigerant and the hydrofluoroolefin which are used in today's industry. So this video is a part 2 of ozone layer depletion Marpol Annex 1 2012. Okay, so in today's video we are talking about the alternative of the hydrofluorocarbon. So before starting the video, let's talk about what is ozone layer in a basic term. So basically ozone is a layer which is formed in between troposphere and stratosphere, which help in preventing the UV ray directly coming from some sun into the earth atmosphere. By protecting the directly UV ray from the sun into the earth atmosphere, it prevent skin cancer, it prevent eye problem, it prevent other ecological problem. So the gases such as CFC, hydrofluorocarbon, halon, methyl bromide, these are gases which are emitted from earth atmosphere, which is going to the earth atmosphere is causing ozone layer depletion. So these gases which is going from earth, which has been developed by chemical industry, which is used in AC or refrigeration system, when going to the earth atmosphere contain chlorine attached with the fluorine. So this chlorine is getting detached after undergoing the reaction with the ozone which is in the atmosphere and forming a free chlorine, and this reaction is basically like a chain reaction causing the depletion of a ozone. How it is happening? So basically the chlorofluorocarbon is coming in contact with the ozone and is forming oxygen and ClO, chlorine plus oxygen, and after that again this same thing will going on with the other. So the ozone is been broken into oxygen and chlorine plus oxygen. Like this, one free chlorine atom can destroy thousands of the ozone molecules. So disruptive this free chlorine is that, which is being emitted into the earth atmosphere by these chemicals which is used in the AC refrigeration system. So for that, now this is, as you can see, this is the ozone which is protecting the earth atmosphere from directly UV ray. So as you know, before 1950 we were using natural refrigerants such as ammonia, carbon dioxide, but after that there is a development in the industry and they come up with the chlorofluorocarbon, and they start to use the chlorofluorocarbon in the refrigeration system and in the AC system. But after some time it was observed that there is a ozone hole in the earth atmosphere and the UV light is actually coming into the earth atmosphere. So they shifted from CFC to hydrofluorocarbon, but again it is slightly improvement, but still it is a ozone depleting substance and having a greenhouse gas impact. So industry again further shifted to hydrofluorocarbon, which has very less ozone depleting effect but still greenhouse gas effect, and after that they have came up with a new gas which is called hydrofluoroolefin, which has very low environmental impact, which we'll see in the coming slide. And again now you see, because in these 60 years 70 years there is development in technology, the natural refrigerant which was being neglected because of the challenges is again back in the business because of evolved technology. So let's talk about the first gas, which is hydrofluoroolefin. So hydrofluoroolefin is what? Hydrofluoroolefin is a new class of synthetic refrigerant. How it look like? It look like this. Basically it's a carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, and it name, you can say, types of hydrofluoroolefin are R1234YF, R1234ZE. So basically these are the hydrofluoroolefin types. They are low green global warming potential. GWP is a global warming potential. Basically, it has no ozone depleting effect, and the greenhouse gas problem which was with the HFC was been eliminated or reduced to very much low percentage by development of hydrofluoroolefin. So hydrofluoroolefin have a low global warming potential. Followed by the 1, 2, 3, 4 JD is used in chiller and commercial refrigerant and AC system because of its development. So this is how the R134 means hydrofluorocarbon look like, and it has been developed to hydrofluoroolefin, and now it has been used in the industry. So hydrofluoroolefin, if somebody asks you what are the advantage, the first advantage is that it has got low global warming potential, near to the zero. Second, it has no ozone depletion effect like HFC, and third, it is non-flammable. But what are the challenges which you are facing? The challenge is first is cost. Now the refrigerant system is becoming more expensive because of this synthetic gas. The second thing, which is not that much effective, is that some of the hydrofluoroolefin types such as YF are mildly flammable. Not all types, some are. Now let's talk about the natural refrigerant. So what do you mean by natural refrigerant? Natural refrigerant are those substances which have a cooling effect and which don't have any ozone depleting effect and global warming potential. These refrigerants are called natural refrigerant. It means the refrigerant which are eco-friendly in alternative in nature are called natural refrigerant. So that refrigerant are, first is ammonia. Ammonia having a excellent thermodynamic property, and it is being used in today's world in a industrial refrigeration system. So in industrial refrigeration system in today's world, ammonia has been used. And what are the advantages? As I have told you, no ozone depleting substance, no global warming potential. The energy efficiency of ammonia is very good, and therefore it is used in large scale industry. But what are the problem? The first problem is that it is toxic in nature. So we need to be very much careful because it is toxic, and if it leak, it requires careful handling and safety measures. The second thing is that it is corrosive in nature. So we cannot use any copper material because it can corrode that. So these are the disadvantage of ammonia, which is being overcome by development in material science, development in safety. So by that reason, as you can see that before we have discontinued the use of ammonia, but now we are coming back again with the use of ammonia. Why? Because we have developed in material science, so it's no more have the corrosive effect is no more a bad phenomena. We can still use it, and the toxic effect is also handled carefully. After that, we come with the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is also a type of natural refrigerant, but it has got two problems. First was the high operating pressure, and second was the efficiency at high temperature was very low. These were the two challenges which were being entangled in the earlier generation, but now we have come up with the specialized durable equipment which can operate at high operating pressure without any problem, and we have a efficient system which can reduce the drawback of its efficiency at high temperature. So if anybody asks what is the advantage of using natural refrigerant, just close your eye and say global warming potential, ozone depleting substance, all that. Okay, and one more advantage is that it has got non-toxicity. The carbon dioxide, but itself have a global warming potential of 1 because it is a type of a greenhouse gas. Now hydrocarbon, propane or isobutane. So propane is used in a small refrigeration system, and isobutane is used in a domestic refrigeration or in commercial, sometime in commercial system also. So basically in our home, whatever the refrigeration system we are seeing, most of them are using this propane, which is semi-hermetic compressor. So the advantage is like that global warming potential is very less, energy efficiency is very much highly energy efficient, and the most important thing why it has been used in the industry is that it is cost effective. The cost effectiveness of the hydrocarbon is very much. The challenges which we are facing are flammability, and the because of flammability it is limited in use to the smaller application. So as you can see that the natural refrigerant which have very good to use has come up with some challenges, like this is coming with the challenges of flammability, so we are using in a small industry. Carbon dioxide is coming with a possibility of low efficiency in high temperature, so we are using in a colder area. The ammonia is coming up with the problem of toxicity and corrosivity, so we are using in a large scale industry. And the hydrofluoroolefin, which is used in basically a ship and replacing the most of the hydrofluorocarbon which is used in ship, is now in use, and it has got a problem of mild flammability and also the cost, because the cost of operation is a little bit high. So these are the alternative of a ozone depleting substance which is been used in before industry. When before the CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, hydrofluorocarbon, is been replaced with first with HFC, but now it has been replaced with these gases. So if anybody asks you in examination that what are the alternative of ozone depleting substance, now you can say easily along with the advantage and disadvantage. Friend, if you want to directly interact with me, you can join our channel Marine Engineering Hub, and if you want to watch videos which are yet to be released exclusively, then you can join the membership. Friends, if you like the video, please do hit the like button, and please do share a video with your colleague and in your social media platform. Thank you friend, have a